welcome to Creative Kids, coming from Leamington Spa Art Gallery and Museum. Actually, we're not in the museum today, we're on plein air, which means we're outside. And traditionally, a lot of artists have drawn and painted outside, and that's what we're going to do today. So you're going to need a pencil of some sort, and the first thing we're going to do, and I'm going to show you on some close-ups after this video, we're going to take our pencil for a walk and we're going to have a go at drawing leaves. Then, they say pink and green should never be seen, but I quite like the combo. We're going to have a go at mixing green with blue and yellow, and we're going to have a go at trying to mix all different shades of green, and that's why I thought I'd sit out here today, because I think behind me in my garden, and if you have a look round it now or in the garden or in the park, sorry there's a train going by, you'll see lots and lots of different shades of green. So we're going to have fun. You can set up outside if it's not raining today, and you're going to need some paints. If you've got a little paint box like that, that would be great. They're not very expensive, and now the shops are open, you might be able to get one, a jug of water, a pencil and some leaves to use to draw. So I'm going to fan myself now and I will show you what I do on a close-up with a voiceover. So have fun and enjoy Creative Kids. So hopefully you can hear me better now, I'm not outside. Here are my leaves that I collected, all lovely different shades of green. I love looking at them close up. So you're going to need a pencil, a piece of paper. The first thing I want you to do is to have a go at simply drawing your leaves. Keep it really simple and enjoy drawing simple leaf shapes ready for painting. So you could use any sort of paint to mix green, but I'm using a watercolour set. I got this one really cheaply and I'll show you what to do. So first of all, start off with two primary colours, two of the superpower colours, blue and yellow on your plate. And then gradually, if you start mixing them together, you start forming green. So have a go at mixing blue with yellow and making a more yellowish green, or then blue with yellow and making a more bluish green. Start playing around with lots of water and start building up lots and lots of different shades of green. You can stretch right through from yellowy green to bluey green to mid green. Have a go with different shades of yellow. This is a warm yellow here, to see if I can make some warm muddy green. And then you'll see also some cooler bluey greens here. These simple leaf drawings painted start to become really effective really quickly. It's really fun to experiment with colour, and I've used green, but you could have a go at this in pink or red or orange. Remember, leaves change their colour as they go through the year, so you could have a go at doing this in all sorts of different colour spectrums and really learning about the shades of each colour. Now, if you've got loads of time, you could start having a go at a scribble picture, where you basically take your pencil for a walk all round the page in crazy scribble patterns. And then you could use this painting technique to fill up the gaps. So I think when you do this in blues and greens, you start almost to create like a watery image. Now, if you haven't got any paint, you could do this with crayons or with felt tips. You could add patterns to the shapes, and it's a really, really relaxing and enjoyable activity. Here's my finished one. So I hope you have fun and enjoy creating colour.